When you are searching Maryland's historical land records through mdlandrec.net, you will come across a variety of index styles. However, if you are searching Montgomery County land records, then you will find a very unique type of index which looks like this. This tutorial will walk you through how to successfully find a name in land records using this unusual index. Rather than creating new indexes, archivists often must learn to interpret historical indexes like these, and we hope this video will make your research a little easier. This is an older index style called a Russell index. In the Maryland State Archives collections, you will most commonly see this when searching the historical Montgomery County land records on mdlandrec.net. But if this is your first time searching land records, or if you are searching indexes for a different county, then please see our helpful videos on creating an account and on searching the more common types of historical land record indexes, linked here. It doesn't matter if we look at the grantor or grantee index for the older land records, since the index style this tutorial covers is used in both. We'll find 3 names in the index as examples. Let's start with Bessie Allen. To view these indexes, let's click on the first letter of the last name. This section has all of the last names beginning with A, and it includes first names A through Z. Now, let's look on the left column. Remember that this index is just for last names beginning with A, so the column on the left shows key letters following the A. And we see L is listed here as a key letter. The next letter after that is L again, but there is no section showing LL as a key letter combination. But let's keep going. The next consonant is N. And here we find LN as a key letter combination. So we can forget about the L section and drop down to the LN section. We found the right row, but now we need to find the right column. The letters across the top are for the first letter of the first name. Her first name is Bessie, so we can go to B. Then we find where they intersect here. We need this page number 210 to type into the Jump to New Page on the right, which takes us to the index page that will contain Bessie Allen and similar names. To learn how to use these indexes to view the actual deed, please see our Historical Indexes tutorial linked here. For our second example, to find Joseph Marr, we'll go to the section for last names starting with M. The next consonant is R, and there is a section for R as the key letter. The next letter after that is R as well, but there is no RR section, so we can stay with the R section. Since his first name is Joseph, we can find the index page number here. For our third and last example, to find Minnie Kidd, we'll go to the section for last names starting with K. The next consonant is D, and there is no section for D as a key letter. So, we can drop down to miscellaneous. Using these indexes is a challenge, but we hope this tutorial was helpful. And please like and subscribe to our page for more tutorials.